Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now in my group, the first from concept to action. After the long discussion in the boarding house during week 1, we finally reach week 2. No, week 1. Okay, sorry. And no more debating, no more whiteboard theory. This time we were going to test the real sensor, the pH sensor, the turbidity sensor, the TDS sensor, and of course our ESP32. We gathered again in the same room, but the atmosphere was different. This was not a brainstorming session anymore. This was execution. I placed the ESP32 on the table careful. Okay, I said, today we make it work. First, we start with the pH sensor. We connected VCC to 5V, gain the analog output to one of the ESP32 ADC pins. Before uploading any code, we check the wiring the 3 times. We learn from experience. Small mistakes can was horse. Then I opened my laptop. I prepared the basic code. I told them. The code was simple. Read analog value, convert to voltage, convert voltage to pH value, print data to serial monitor. Okay. When we uploaded the code and opened the serial monitor, numbers start appearing. Voltage 2.41V, pH 7.02. We froze for a second. Is working? My friend whispered. We quickly test it with different water samples, mineral water, tap water, even slightly salty water. The values changed. That small change made us excited. One sensor down, and next turbidity sensor, guys. And this one was interesting because it measure water clarity. The cloudier the water, the different to the voltage output. We connected it the same way, VCC and GND. Analog output to the another ADC pin. I modified the code to include turbidity reading. Now the serial monitor showed pH same 7.01, turbidity voltage 30 to 30.20V. We test clear water first, then we mix soil into the water. The voltage dropped, the number changed again. That means it detect particle. One of you said. We were no longer just student. We were observing real environmental data. Then come the TDS sensor. The sensor measure total dissolved solid, mineral and salt dissolved in water. The wiring was slightly more careful because table voltage matter for TDS query. Again, I update to the code. Now the ESP32 was reading 3 sensors at the same time. pH, turbidity, TDS. When the serial monitor displayed all the value together, we just stared at the screen. pH 7.05, turbidity 2.19 TDS 312 ppm. Three different parameter, one microcontroller inside a small boarding house. Of course, not everything went perfectly. Sometimes the pH reading suddenly jumped. Sometimes TDS value look locked unstable, we realized calibration would be important. But this week was not about perfection. It was proof of concept. Proof that ESP32 can handle multiple sensor, analog reading or stable data processing work. The system is possible. Before ending the session, we discussed the next step. If it work on the table, my friend said, next step is testing it on water outside. But that will be week 3 next week. As we pack up, I look at the ESP32 again. Last week it was just an ID. This week is was alive collecting real data. Week 2 week 1 was not about dreaming. It was about turning theory into numbers, and numbers don't lie. Our water monitoring drone was no longer just a concept. It was starting to become real. Okay, thank you. Uh, just discussion for my group, for our group. Okay, and thank you very much, and see you next time. Okay.